It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. With its utility, stylish comfort, and desire for adventure, the Odyssey is everyone's happy place. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, driver memory seats, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.